In this video, I will show you how to auto-sign videos on TikTok. Firstly, you need to get up onto that creation section or the plus icon on the third line setup. Go click on it, and when you get up right here, and you can simply switch the camera if you want. Now this is not important, but if you go on your right wing to take over your uploading section from your gallery, and from here you can select more photos or videos which are related into the selection. I will go with this one. Firstly, I will go for select multiple. This needs to be selected if you want to check over that site. Then go select more videos if you want and go next. And when you get up right there, it needs to take some time to get to the full accomplishment of this selection. And right here, if you go adjust clips on that fifth place on your right side, you're gonna be available to take up that selection. Now, as you can see, you can change the parts of the videos. And then if you go on signs, firstly it will take up for the sound, and the next step, it is on your left upper side. Downstairs is not on your upper side. It says auto signs. Go click on it, and right now it needs to take some time to get. Right now, as you can see, we have got our side section on this selection. Go save on your right upper side, and now as you can see, we have done it.